From 13 going on 30 to the Adam Project. Jennifer Garner and Mark Ruffalo gushed over getting to work together again at the NY premiere of their new sci-fi film. Years after 13 going on 30, Jennifer Garner, 49, and Mark Ruffalo, 54, are back together on the big screen. The pair star in the new time-traveling film The Adam Project on Netflix, where they play a married couple opposite Reynolds and Saldana. The whole cast attended the New York premiere on February 28th, and Jen and Mark gushed about finally reuniting long after their days as Jenna and Mark never left on com. It was so lovely, Jen told Entertainment Tonight. It was really comforting to be together again, and I don't think either of us realized how much we needed it and how great we feel. The Alias access went on, making the movie, specifically, was so special, and then it's meant so much to so many people since then, which has been such a gift. So, we've kind of been woven into each other's lives without the benefit of really being together. It just felt like we were picking up where we left off. Related gallery. Mark Ruffalo, Chris. Mark spoke to the outlet about how much his and Jen's lives have changed since the rom-com came out in 2004. We were 13 going on 30, went on and had lives, families, and kids and all kinds of other stuff, and came back and it's like, wow, what a journey we've taken, and here we are. Jen and Mark previously celebrated their on-screen reunion while filming The Adam Project last year in Vancouver. The pair posed for a selfie together that Jen described as a perfect day with my old pal on Instagram. The Avengers actor posted a shot of Jen and jokingly wrote, "Anyone know where we can get Lazarus in Canada?" In The Adam Project, which hits theaters on March 11, Jennifer and Mark play Ellie and Louie, the parents of Ryan's character in the movie's namesake, Adam. The flick is a science fiction film about an older man going back in time to team up with his younger self and confront his dad's death.